Never throw empty plastic bottles again. Today I'm going to teach you a super useful tip that you can already do at home. I assure you that when you know this, you will not throw empty plastic bottles again. Here I have a big plastic bottle that had detergent, but I have already used it all. Instead of throwing it away, I will do something that you will love. This bottle is going to be very useful, and now you will see why. To do this trick, all we are going to need is a scissor, a knife, and the empty plastic bottle. The first thing you have to do is start cutting the bottle in half from one end to the other, just as I show you. The blade must be sharp so that it can be cut easily. Take advantage and tell me which country you are watching me from, so I can send you a special greeting in my next videos. When you get to this end, you are going to cut upwards on both sides until you reach the lid. We remove the excess part, since we are not going to use it. When using the chopping board in the kitchen, we will always need a plastic bag to throw away the leftovers, especially when it comes to vegetables. Most people use a slingshot to throw the trash after picking up the board. The problem with doing this is that if you are not careful, you can end up falling apart on the floor. Another method that many people use is to put a plastic bag to put the garbage. But many of these bags are not resistant enough and can end up breaking. In some markets, you can get portable sliders for this, but if they are not available in your area, what we did can serve you very well. Just place this part inside the kitchen cabinets in this way, and it will be fixed there until you finish using it. Una alternativa muy buena para aquellos que gustan del bricolaje y la limpieza. In this way, you will also be reusing plastics and taking care of the environment. And the best of all is that it will not cost you anything, and it will only take you a few minutes to do it. Today's special greeting is for Isabel Cruz from Bolivia and for Edelmira Veras from the Dominican Republic. Thank you for watching our videos. If you know any other trick that can be done with empty plastic bottles, let me know below. I'm always reading your suggestions. I say goodbye, wishing you rich blessings.